Hey Bougies, and welcome to my channel, Broke Bougie Glamour TV. And today, Bougies, I have another wig review from the company Luvme Hair. This video is not sponsored. I bought this wig with my own money. I'm loving this beautiful box that came in. Y'all know I love purple if you've been watching my channel. Yes, purple is my color. So this company give you a lot that comes in this beautiful box. It came in this beautiful mesh bag. Also, you get a coupon code or a gift card for $5. This cute little cosmetics bag is so pretty with the holographic color. I'm loving this. I'm gonna use this for other things. It's so cute. You also get a wig cap. I don't use this color, but you get one in a box. They also give you this detailed guide that comes in a box with the instructions, the return and refund, how to care for your wig. They really took their time in the packaging, and I'm here for the packaging. I love good packaging. They give you this nice satin scarf to lay down your edges, girl. Yes, honey. They do give you another stretchable band. Also, they give you some tweezers, Bougies, yes. And it has the name Luvme on it. I hope they sharp, because I need some more tweezers. Some hairpins or some bobby pins. We always need this, right? And look at this blinged out hairpin they give you. This is cute. It says love me. I'm probably going to give this one to my daughter, but it's still cute. And let's not forget this comb and brush duo for them edges, girl. Ordered a wet and wavy glueless lace wig, and it came in 16 inches. The subtotal is like $199.90, but I of course used the discount code. And this wig say 16 inches, but I'm about 5'2", so to me it look about 18 to 20 inches on me. The lace in the front is like light, so I'm gonna have to use my makeup powder to darken it. They give you 2 combs on the side, a comb in the middle, the stretchable band, 2 combs in the back, or either 3 combs in the back, the straps in the back. And like I said before, this wig is big head friendly, but then again, I don't have no hair, so I just got a little bit of hair. So maybe if you got hair, it might fit a little bit more snug on your head. But so far, I like it. It's cute. These edges are thick on both sides, like the tabs that you gotta pull down to your ear. That part is thick, so it might bother some people. But I'm not a hairstylist, so I'm gonna try to like tame this wig the best I can. But this wig is soft. The parting space is not that bad. I'm just going to, you know, use my powder. I don't know how to tweeze no wig, so I'm gonna just try my best. But the wig is soft. And this is how it look in the back of me. I think it's about 18 inches on me, but they say it's 16, so. This wig does shed, just to let you know, just like any other wig. So this is me. I came back after I dyed it black, jet black, and I put some product on it. With this wig, you have to make sure it's wet enough. Like, if not, like with enough water, if not, it's gonna frizz up like bad. And make sure you use a good product for this type of wet and wavy hair, because this wig felt like it was like a drier hair quality, if that makes sense. So just make sure you use enough water and a good product. I use like Garnier products for this type of hair. Now I try my best to cut the lace off, but I might take it to like the beautician so she can fix it better for me. And Usually when I'm home, I add like my concealer or powder in a part. And if it's too much like light lace around the edges, I go in and use my black eyeshadow and make it black where it's supposed to be at, until I can take it to somebody who could fix it. But it does have like some short strands at the top. You might want to, you know, cut that off or lay it down better. I use like a cream base, water based product, or like some mousse. Ends is like kind of thin, on the thin side, but I don't like too much density in my wig, so it's fine for me. And it looked like they gave the front of the wig like a little bit layers. Stay tuned for more wig reviews and show and tells on my channel, Bougies. And if you like these type of videos, beauty videos, lifestyle videos, affordable shopping, affordable home decor, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you won't miss another upload that I do. Bye, Bougies.